RV solar chargers provide reliable off-grid power, maintain batteries, reduce generator use, and ensure continuous energy for travel convenience and emergencies. Today's video is about top 5 best RV solar chargers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Solperk waterproof solar battery. This 20W solar panel kit is a compact yet highly efficient solution for maintaining 12V batteries across a wide range of applications. Built with advanced monocrystalline A+ cells, it delivers an impressive 21-30 conversion efficiency, ensuring reliable performance for vehicles like cars, RVs, boats, and even equipment like gate openers or water pumps. Durability is a standout feature. The low iron tempered glass and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame make it fully waterproof and rust-proof, with the ability to withstand harsh conditions such as heavy winds, snow, and storms. Its long lifespan of up to 25 years adds excellent value. The included upgraded 8A Smart Charge controller enhances efficiency while protecting batteries from overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits. The intuitive indicator lights make monitoring simple. Installation is quick and flexible thanks to the 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket and plug-and-play connections. Overall, this solar panel kit offers dependable performance, strong build quality, and user-friendly features ideal for anyone needing a reliable off-grid charging solution. Now our second product is Solar Power waterproof solar battery charger. This 12V solar battery charger stands out with its ultra-smart MPPT technology, delivering exceptional performance and efficiency. With up to 99 tracking efficiency and 98 peak conversion, it significantly improves energy utilization compared to standard chargers, making it a reliable choice for consistent battery maintenance. The upgraded 3-stage charging system, bulk, absorption, and float, ensures batteries are charged safely and efficiently while extending their lifespan. Its fully automatic operation adds convenience, stopping when the battery is full and resuming when needed, eliminating manual maintenance. Safety is another strong point, with comprehensive protections against overcharge, short circuits, reverse polarity, and more. The waterproof and spark-proof design further enhances reliability in various conditions. Built using high-quality A+ solar cells and durable materials, it withstands harsh weather like UV exposure, hail, and sandstorms. Compatibility is wide, supporting multiple battery types including AGM, GL, SLA, and LiFePO4. Easy installation with plug-and-play cables makes it user-friendly. Overall, it's a smart, efficient, and durable solar charging solution. Our third product is Renogy Solar Power Charger for RV. The Renogy 100W solar panel delivers impressive performance with its advanced A+ grade N-type cells, reaching up to 25 conversion efficiency. This translates to noticeably higher power output, around 20W more than typical 100W panels, making it a strong choice for efficient energy generation. Its 16BB technology further enhances performance by improving energy flow while reducing the risk of hotspots and microcracks, ultimately extending the panel's lifespan. Despite its power, the panel is surprisingly compact, 11 smaller and 8 lighter, making it ideal for space-limited setups like van life or RV installations. Another highlight is its excellent high-temperature performance. With a low-temperature coefficient, it maintains strong output even in hot climates, ensuring reliable energy production during peak summer conditions. Durability is equally impressive, thanks to its IP65 rating, tempered glass surface, and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame. Built to withstand harsh weather, this panel is designed for long-term outdoor use. Overall, it's a high-efficiency, durable, and space-saving solar solution for serious users. Now, Number 4, Eco-worthy solar car battery charger. The eco-worthy 10W Solar Trickle Charger is a practical and reliable solution for maintaining vehicle and boat batteries during long periods of inactivity. It's especially useful if you don't want the hassle of disconnecting the battery or starting your vehicle regularly. The built-in indicator light makes it easy to monitor charging status at a glance, and its waterproof design ensures safe outdoor use. Designed with monocrystalline technology, this panel provides steady trickle charging without the risk of overcharging. The integrated blocking diode prevents reverse charging at night, while upgraded PCB features add extra protection against overcharge and reverse polarity. Even on cloudy days, it continues to deliver consistent performance. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly, thanks to the included SAE cable, cigarette lighter adapter, and alligator clips ready to set up in minutes. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles and equipment, this charger is a dependable, low-maintenance companion for keeping batteries healthy and ready to go. And our last choice is BALDR Solar Battery Trickle Charger. The BALDR 13W Solar Charger is a powerful and dependable solution for keeping 12V batteries fully charged in any condition. With advanced MPPT technology, it delivers up to 30 more efficiency than standard panels, ensuring reliable performance whether in freezing winters or extreme summer heat. It's a great option for cars, boats, RVs, and other outdoor equipment. What truly sets this charger apart is its dual-sided solar absorption design. By capturing both direct and reflected sunlight, it boosts efficiency by up to 25 and extends daily charging time even in partially shaded areas. This makes it especially effective in real-world environments like garages or docks. Built for durability, the IP67 waterproof rating, anti-scratch tempered glass, and shock-resistant frame ensure long-term use in harsh conditions, from sandstorms to heavy snow. Installation is quick and tool-free, with flexible mounting options using suction cups or brackets. Overall, it's a highly efficient, rugged, and user-friendly solar charger backed by reliable customer support and warranty coverage. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.